guys at Upper Boon Keng Wet Market. Heard there's a shop here which sells crab, so I'm finding for it right now. Hello uncle. Ah, so here are the crabs. So on top the three baskets are all the medium sized crabs, then the ones which are at the bottom, the two of them, they are the larger size one.
Hi, good morning to everyone. Okay, this is a Sri Lanka mud crab. It's the total of 6 pieces. We bought it at Kalang Baru, the wet market. Okay, the price is a very good price. Okay, 1 kg for $38, but we have given the discount of $35. Okay, the cost of the crab will be $140, around 4.3 kg, but its offering is 4 kg. Okay, now I'm going to show you the process of how to clean up Sri Lanka crab. Okay, lift up the crab and have a good view of the crab. Okay, now we're going to kill the crab.
Okay, how you know if this one is a male or a female?
Male or female, see the V shape. Okay, V shape is male and round shape is a female, female with eggs. Okay, but I don't like the eggs, so I'll get a male crab. Place in the center of the portion. Okay, yes, all the way in. Okay, that's it. Okay, then you can start cleaning. Now it's okay. Now it's around 60% of the crab. We can do the cleaning up, but be careful. No guarantee. So anything goes wrong, please don't look for me. Okay, very important part. Can see? This is the part we should clear off first, because this is the dirt part. Okay, just leave it over here. Then next portion, okay, make sure all the string take out. Okay, remove it, but be careful. Still alive. Can see? Can see? Can see? It's holding it. Okay, 70% is fine. So clear everything. Okay, normally you can leave it on the freezer, but it's not good. Okay, hold this portion. Your thumb face the base. This thumb put inside. Slowly lift up. Okay, that's it. This one you have to throw away. And now is the cleaning part. Cleaning will be very easy. Just have a scissors. Cut. Can see still moving. Very be careful. Very easy. Just what you need is just a scissors will be do. It's a very easy process cleaning. Can see this one. That's it. That's it. Get the edge, clear all the edge. You can see, I'm just using a scissors to just clear everything away. Okay, that's it. Okay, you can see this one also can take off. Okay, that's it. You can see just less than a minute. The same is good to you. That's it. So cleaning a crab, it's a very easy task. Okay, then you need to wash up. Okay, you can see a lot of mud over here. Okay, but the best is what if you have a spray, that would be wonderful, because there's a lot of mud in between. You can see all these parts, all the edges, there's a lot of mud. So clear all the mud. But important is the cleaning process. That's it. Same thing. All the edges. Okay, that's it. Okay, now you already complete the process. Okay, once I complete all the 6 trap, then I will show you the next process of cleaning it. Okay, this is the next process. Okay, all already cut already. Now we will be cleaning.
Okay, after cleaning all the crabs, so this is the final outcome.